Hi, welcome to At Home with Shari. This is Shari de Villacua. For today's vlog, I'm happy to share with you me and Ashton's productive bonding as we accomplish some of our homework. This vlog is, by the way, presented to us by There could be so many ways on how to bond with your child. You could go malling together, watch movies, go to the park, and a lot more. But today, I couldn't be any prouder of myself as Ashton and I were still able to bond and have fun together without spending money and only staying home. Look at the puppet stick I'm doing for Ashton's project. And this is that.
It's funny.
I didn't know I'm this creative. And these are some of the school activities that we know our kids couldn't do on their own yet. So the least participation they can have is to be involved or at least present in the making or in the process of project completion. I'm happy to show you my Captain America art scene.
And nanay to. Daddy, and nanay to.
Ano nipakita yung Superman o si Darna? Kamo mga angayan man mo ba Archie is Captain America?
I'm a superhero eye.
I took care of the cutting, gluing, and tracing using markers, and I make sure to trust him on the easiest part, coloring. I let him touch, explore the product, the project, and I already expect for possible repairs should he mishandle it. Give me Popsicle, my love. Another thing I made sure of is that he can identify correctly the materials and tools that we used. So that come soon he has a bigger grown-up hands, he would know what to look for and would know how to do it. And to complete the combo family, we have Ashton as Spider-Man. So give me the rest of the family members, anak bi. Give me the rest. Give me the rest.
Okay.
And this concludes our episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our accounts at Home with Shari on YouTube, at Home with Shari on Facebook. Till my next vlog, only here at the channel that tells the story, expresses interests with no barriers, judgments, and expectations. At Home with Shari. Bye. That's all.